Question 3 is actually the same thing as question 2, but we just got to do it twice as much. First bit here, we're timesing these two bits out. 4 times 3, of course, is 12, and we've got x to the power of a half, because this bit. The other one, well, we've got 4x to the power of a half, and we're timesing it by x squared. Putting the half and the 2 together, that's 2.5 altogether. So we've got 4x to the 5 over 2. Same idea here then, let's work out the two of them. Let's just write out the two of them. There's the first one we've got to try and do, and here's the second one we've got to try and do. First one, 4.5 altogether there, 4.5, so we've got 4 lots of x to the power of 4.5 is 9 over 2. This one here, I've got 4 times x over 2, so I'm going to cancel these here to leave me with 2, and x to the half, and altogether I've got 3 over 2. The minus comes in here, that it must be a minus between them. Same idea here, got to split this into 2 fractions. Let's split that. Let's write that as x to the half while I'm doing it. Minus 5x squared over x to the half. And so now tidying that up. First one just starts with a 2, and I've got x to the 1, x to the half. 1 take away a half is a half. Minus in the middle there, this one's a 5, and I've got x squared divided by x to the half. 2 take away a half, it's 1.5, or 3 over 2. And the last one, just again split it up into 2 bits. I've got 5x here, sorry, x to the 5 here. On the bottom, that's 64x squared, and I'm adding 4x to the half over, again, 64x squared. So what do I get? That one there, there's no number on the top, well, there's a 1 on the top, so I've got 1 over 64 here. The 64 is on the bottom, and I've got x to the 5, x squared, 5 take away 2 is the x cubed, plus 4 over 64. I can do a bit of cancelling there, that 4 goes into 64 16 times, so I've got 1 over 16 here, and taking away half take away 2, a half take away 2 is minus 3 over 2.